alone I eat out of this tonight. Me alone. Come on, come on. A nice piece of barra fry. Take it along. Hey, 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 hey. Tarpon, 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 tarpon.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. Hartman adventures at them, man. Yo, what's going on, people? What's going on again? Yeah, man, it's Dre with Hartman Adventures there upon another adventure. It's been a long time since you guys saw me do anything like this, so yeah, it's been in the making, but finally get the chance to come out and do another night fishing video. And actually just reach out on the location right now. Just set up one line and about to set another one. However, I don't carry a lot of bait because I leave home very late this evening, so I only catch 4 mullet, only 4. So whenever them bait they done, you know fishing done too. But yeah, man, we're there tonight. Have a little surprise for you guys as well. You guys haven't seen these people in a long time. So there is Moji, that's the baby. That's Ash. You guys haven't seen Ash on the channel in a long time. And there's Ellie. Ellie, say hi. Yeah, man, you know, so we always do a thing when we come out as a family same way, you know. So we're there fry some breadfruit. And yeah, we do a little thing while we do some fishing. Just set one line. Here a little bell go off a while ago. So yeah, let's see if we can get the other line set. And then start set up for Ash line them. Like I said, I only have 4 bait. So I can see if we will catch anything tonight with the 4 bait. But yeah, man, even if we don't catch nothing, we will still enjoy ourselves. And yeah, so just stick around, stay tuned. In the meantime, go and hit the like, share, comment and subscribe. I don't know, so once the hookup go on, you guys will be in on the action, so go and stick around. Alright, so 2 line them set. 2 of them have a mullet on them. So it's just have to wait for a bite, you know. So I'll go on in there, so. The fried breadfruit, piece of barra. Yeah, man, that's my own. One slice of barra when I did catch recently. You guys have never seen that video, just click the link right up above. Yeah, man, go check out the video there. Nice barra I did catch. I'll say Ash. Beef. Rasta no eat beef, you know, so I have to eat fish. Ash cook beef for yourself.
And Ellie.
Ellie.
And Ellie.
Me and Muj go and chill, you know. You guys are not allowed to call her Muj either. Only daddy alone allowed to call her Muj. From a cast out the line, yeah. Mullet a move away. He always a move like say something a chase him. So just a wait for if we see if it a go get a run. See one diver in our water out there still, so normally whenever I dive for them the boat, no come in, but go wait and see what will go on tonight. You see that? You hear it tug on the bell a while ago? Yeah, man. Just I go and wait to see if something I go take up mullet. Yep. A nice piece of barra fry.
I burn up the last 2 breadfruit.
Well, she a tell you about it, and me no make me tell you about it. The last 2 slices you did in the pot, look what go on for them.
Last 2 breadfruit.
Tastes nice though. Crispy. Still I watch the line them to see what go on, you know? Moji, why you covering my thingy? Hey, let it go. Ellie's here now, Ellie a draw.
No, I'm not drawing.
You're not drawing.
I can't
She
find
can't
my
find her
yellow.
yellow.
You can't find the yellow.
Yellow.
Yes man. So we do it in a long time you guys not see we come out as a entire family. And this is Zyla's first trip. We are babysit guys, so sorry about that, sorry say the camera not stable right now. I have a baby in my hand. And she keep on holding on to it. I don't know if you guys can see that one dive out there in the water and you see him. See that little light down there? Yeah man, is a dive. I'm gonna come up the line right now. Come up towards where we are. Hopefully not get tangled up in my line them, cause him now can't see them out there. So hopefully him not get tangled up in them. Now come closer is about 100 yards away. See him there? See the diver there come up. I don't know if you can find anything out there yet, but see him come up the line. So from reaching out there. Yeah. Take it along. Hey, 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 hey! Tarpon, 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 tarpon! Hold the baby, hold the baby, hold the baby, hold the baby.
A hold her.
Him flashy, you know?
Whatever.
Him flashy, man. Him flashy. Hold the camera. Him flashy, man. Him flashy. Yes, when him jump.
I saw when him jump.
He jump, man. Him jump and flashy. On top on it. I'm big one, Tina.
You see when him jump, man. You see when him jump.
I'm big one, man.
Come, refuel and send it out again. See
Just
if
get
him
a
want to
top
eat
and hook
another
up,
one.
guys. Just get a top and hook up one big one. And jump and shake out the hook. If I never have a baby in my hand, I probably could have set the hook on him a little bit better, but yeah. Sorry. I'm gonna try again.
Ellie swears she's a camera person. Look at this, guys. And Zella wants to be in on the action. Right, Zeze? And Mommy's burning up the fish.
Guys, yes. Just see first little piece of action for tonight. Set out the mullet bait. I'm here him out there a long time. Hear something I worry him on the line, and I'm here something I worry him. Top and finally pick him up. He jump, shake the hook. But when he pick up the line, I have a baby in my hand. So I have the baby in one hand, and I have the camera in the next hand. So I couldn't pick up the rod to try to set the hook on him. But I saw you go. We'll see if we can catch another one tonight or get another hook up tonight. So just stick around. Once the action start again, you guys will see what go on. But yeah man, in the meantime we are going to make some food same way, you know. Watch it. Fish burn up. I should run left the fish on the fire. Come there, I'm a call out say, yo, go take the baby, go take the baby. So yeah. Burn up my fish a while ago. But so you go. We enjoy ourselves same way. Alright guys, we just hear another nudge on the line again. It no run yet still, but just hear another nudge on the line. I wait to see what I go on. Yeah. See what I go on there, so. Barracuda steam down. Some ground seasoning and some broccoli and carrot and all of that. Yes man, light kinda bright still. See if we can cover some island. Ellie, what are you mashing up? Yeah, me hear line I go again, you know. Yeah man, me hear him kick a while ago man. Me I wait for him. Me I wait for him to pick you up. I wait for him to pick up him man. Hey, the line is hot still, you know. Wait for him to see what go on. I wouldn't mind find a nice mutton out here tonight too. Yeah man, we'll go and chill out same way guys, so just stick around man. Anytime any action start, you know what go on. Yeah? Just go and stick around. So go on here guys. Look at that. Fried breadfruit. Some barracuda. Some beef over there so. You know Rasta no deal with the beef so. Barracuda for me. Come on, we go. Dinner finally ready now, so we go sit down and eat some food and wait for the line them, you know. See Ellie? When was the last time you guys saw Ellie? Ellie was a baby, not you? You're a big girl now. Yeah man, Ellie couldn't wait. I tell her I said we are going fishing this evening. Ellie was so excited. Because she's been on my back that I now bring her go fishing lately, so yeah. She finally get to come out. Actually want to bring her out on next day because she said she want to go fly her kite, so I want to bring her go seaside, go make she fly her kite one day too, so yeah. I don't know if I feel like I might video that, but that are just if I feel like it. Look at that. My plate that for tonight, you know. See Ellie?
Good.
See Miss Lady up there, so. This side dinner table. Look at this guys, look at this. She hear about food? Look.
Yes.
Hey, it's a little foodie, you know guys. Anytime she hear about food, I pay excitement, you see, you know. Hey. Yeah man. So this side setting. Alright, see what I'm telling about guys? Watch it.
Nice.
Watch it. One little foodie. Going at it. Going at it, my girl.
You got your broccoli?
Yeah man. This hella nice guys. Some steam down in some coconut milk and thing. Look at that. Breadfruit them nice and crispy. No, you know, nobody can tell me about no double dipping, you know. Me alone I eat out of this tonight. Me alone. Come on, come on. No beef.
Just ask for some, oh my.
Come, Eddie, come. I told me no say Eddie love fish.
Oh. So So the wife not supposed to get any anniversary at that.
Come. Oh, nice. It's yummy.
Yes.
Food sweet, yo. Hmm? I'm sorry for you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you, baby.
What's the bone?
You do know that today your guys when you got married?
I know that.
Mommy and daddy anniversary.
That's where you get
Today's our
married.
wedding anniversary, guys. And yeah, this is how we are doing it, you know. Out of seaside, just like olden days. Out of seaside. So, yeah, man. Happy anniversary to us.
Happy anniversary.
Big up yourself to all on, you know. Appreciate Ellie, I eat off mine. Big up to all on who always a support, always a show you love and respect all the time, you know. So yeah, man, we'll see if we can eat some more food and see if we can done eat before we get another bite, you know. I'm not hear you. Yeah, that is it for dinner, you know, guys. That is it for dinner. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that right there. My plate, that, you know. Look for my plate, which is also the pot. See that? My plate clean. Oh, look there, we have 3 pieces of breadfruit left. And a bottle of water almost done. Yeah, man, everybody eat up, everybody belly full. I will just sit down here and go and wait for a bite now. Yeah, man, I'll put away them stuff here right now and just go and play the waiting game. See if we can get another bite tonight or a hook up and bring it in so you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, alright, just get a nudge, you know. Just get a nudge, you know. Just get a nudge on the one here now, guys. He never run still. I give him a little bit of time because I mullet them big, so give him a little bit of time to take you up. Just get a draw down on the rod there still. Same as me I telling us, so I just go and wait. Get a little draw down on the rod there. So yeah, just stick around, man. Look who's hooked up. Come closer. Look who's hooked up. First fishing over a year.
Something new. Oh, wait.
In down there, man.
Woo.
It's a jack. Make him run, make him run. It's a jack. It's a horse here. I don't have to ask if it's a horse here.
Woo.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. First fishing over a year. Right on our wedding anniversary.
Woo. Move back. Whoa. See him right here, so.
Alright, I'm going to take him up for you. When there?
See him out here, so. Right in front of me here, so.
It's a horse here, man. I know it's a horse here. No, not lift him over by stone. Not lift him over by stone. No. See him there? Oh, I have my slippers. Nice horse here. Nice horse here. No, I lift him up on a stone because I'm going to flash him, go cut it off. Very nice horse, yeah.
That was a very nice
Hold up your
fight.
catch. Hold up your catch. Hold in tail. The spiky. Hold on. Hold on. Hold him on there. Sir. No, not that side there, because that side they have a hook.
Thank you.
That side they have a hook. Hold him on there, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Inside the
fish
shop, you know.
it. Yeah. Hold on, no, sir.
Inside the shop.
Me can't push my finger on this, baby.
Put on the gloves, man. Gloves in my bag. The
You
gloves
tell
in
me
my
this.
pocket right there, so.
You tell me this after me slime you up myself.
In my side pocket, yeah, that one there. Yes, guys, we finally get a nice hook up. Ash do the fight. From the feeling, you know, from the feel how he run, me know says a horse here, you know.
You're a nice man.
Feel the head shape, man. Hold it here, man, hold it here.
Wow.
Wait. Open the bill.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
Look at that. Look at that.
He's pretty.
How you feel?
Very good.
First one for over a year, eh? Yes, man.
Nice.
Very nice horse, yeah. And guess what? I last beat that, you know?
That one have no
No,
bait
no
again.
more beat. One more out there, yes, but
Oh, wow.
last beat that.
He's pretty.
Yeah, last beat that. Last one when I set out.
He's pretty, man.
No, say horse, yeah, them would have come in the night, yeah, you know.
Ah. It's a good feeling, guys. It's such a good feeling. Oh, gosh.
Guys, if you did see her face this evening, when I asked her if she want, well, this morning when we wake up, this morning, she said to me, say, if me no feel bad, say a long time, me no bring her go fishing. So I say, alright. Start make my plans in my head, and then in the afternoon, ask her if she want to go fishing, and she said, yeah. So, left yard a little bit late. Only find 4 bait. Only find 4 bait. The top one take away one. Something else take away other one. She just catch one fish on that one there a while ago. And then the other line out in our water. So yeah, she's over there. Look at that. Very, very nice horsey eye.
Nice one.
Nice, eh? Very nice horsey eye, guys. So yeah, only have 1 bait left in our water now. Hopefully we can get a run, and then make our pull in the one day again. That our last bait we have for night, so we don't catch anything on it that for night. But yeah, that's a good feeling. I'm glad say she finally get her hook up where she did that. Beg for win. Yeah, man, she hasn't gone fishing in over a year. It's more than a year, probably almost 2 years now since she went fishing. So yeah, man, promise her. Well, when she asked me this morning if she can go out, yeah, man, I don't know, so I make it happen for her, you know. So yeah, not a bad anniversary. All the way out here, we eat, we drink, we belly full, and we actually catch some fish, you know. So yeah, man, just stick around. If we get another run, you guys will see what's up. Yeah, that's it for tonight, you know, guys. That's it. Yeah, man, that's it for tonight. We just done pack up everything, put in our car, and we're about to head home. I did only have 1 bait left out there, and I get a nice run on the bait, but whatever did have him and drop him. I bring in the bait dead, and bite up the bait and let him go. So end up that no more bait, so time for go home now. So Yeah man, thanks again for tuning in. Big up all of you guys. It was a fun adventure out tonight, and yeah man, glad to you guys tune in. So yeah man, until next adventure, take care, live good, walk good, love always and respect. Catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.